first attempt. Three-pointer a bit strong. Get another opportunity. It's Enriquez once again, drops it off. Nice find there. Gets it to Eslao.
The MPBL.
It's Enriquez missing on that layup. Put back, that will work para kay De La Rosa. 4-0 in favor of Marikina. They come up with a steal on the backcourt, a foul, and the bucket. De La Rosa, bonus free throw of that foul coming from Tristan Flores. Completes the three-point. Thank you. That was Daphne Cristobal, our courtside reporter for not just this game, but all 6 games ngayong araw. Was Denden Enriquez. Get another basket for Marikina.
These players have lost sleep. Probably last night, baka may mga hindi pa nakatulog out of excitement. So, you just want your kids to continue to perform and play. This is usually very scary. Parang it's something that you have nightmares about. And so far, this Marikina start has been a nightmare.
First, backcourt pressure. Get it across. Yeng makes a move. Gets the first 2. The 8-8 Junior Giants. And finally, under steal from Denden Enriquez. Takes it all the way to the hoop.
That's really
under 1 minute left. Just our first period. 19-2 is our score in favor of Marikina. Same spot. Different result as Denden Enriquez now in double figures with 11.
Go from the three-point area after missing his first 2 shots. Able to knock one down.
Bawi din naman kaagad sa kabila. First three-pointer courtesy of Tristan Flores. Quarter highlights mostly coming from this Marikina Junior Shoe Master squad. Building this early advantage, 24-5, 19 points.
Turnovers, 11 already for Quezon City.
Another basket to begin this second quarter. First couple of points para kay 8 days dito sa kabila. Dito naman, linggo na ang inabot for the Junior Shoe Masters and really showing the results, especially here in the first half. The second three-pointer will be converted here by Huey Vergara. Now 7:08 remaining here in the second. Teng, straight away 3. Another three-pointer converted by Huey Vergara. This is the out. Finds Eslao. Eslao once again gets another basket. This time, basket will count. Of course, that end one play, foul count, is brought to us by Pound for Pound Fitness, the official fitness. Tang bringing it down for Quezon City. Another steal as Enriquez gets another bucket. It's his first bucket here in the second. We take another look at that steal coming from Giancarlo Cayosa. Finds the streaking Denden Enriquez.
8 points each in this quarter, but so far that 24-5 first quarter has been the difference.
Denden Enriquez now with 17 after that bucket coming off.
Game miracle for them.
This is Tang. Corner 3 once again. Vergara. He has been the lone bright spot so far for Quezon City. That is
3 out of 3 for Vergara.
Sidestepping his way through Hanopol, but there is Eslao after that block.
It's for Clarence Eslao.
Flores will try. Back-to-back three-pointers para sa Quezon City. This just another look. Flores nahawa na kay Huey Vergara. 4 three-pointers.
Very successful in playing aggressively.
Shot clock is off. Tang underneath. It's the first 2 of this game. Quarter though para sa Quezon City. Noy able to get their offense going. Actually, sa Denden Enriquez show, Coach Noy, especially in that first quarter, scoring in double digits already. And may mga teammates din siya contributing into their offense. On the other, Quezon City, yet another opportunity to bring this lead down. Attacking strong to the hoop. Finishing despite the contact was Teng.
But still able to force it inside, getting that foul plus the basket.
By telling the 13 under 8-8 Junior Giants that you got some pride because you're not just representing your school, but you are also representing the 8-8 Junior.
Daphne, and they are indeed responding to that challenge of showing up as Vergara. Another three-pointer. 4 3-quarter lang daw.
Iba na yung mensahe. You know what you have to do, and Right now, that's exactly what Quezon City is doing, just continuing to do.
Picking up. Look at this move. Spin cycle plus the foul brought to us by Pound for Pound Fitness. The official.
The reality already in the stark difference as
Here para sa Quezon City. Pull-up jumper. Converted. Tristan Flores. Cayosa having some trouble but gets it to Enriquez. Finds Eslao inside and that Enriquez-Eslao connection working wonders here for Marikina. Hanopol. Goes to Cayosa. Three-pointer. First three-pointer para kay Cayosa. Extending the lead once again to 8. Trailing by 6 is Quezon City. Pediliaga makes a move on the baseline. Cross-court. Three-pointer once again. Gets another one. Tristan Flores.
for Flores as that three-point shooting has allowed them to come back in this ball game.
Enriquez, gusto sa laro ni Denden Enriquez. Yes, he can put up the points for sure as we see Tyrese Tang getting another bucket para Res. Enriquez looking ahead, finds Cayosa. Against two defenders, scoops it up and in.
I thought he was ready for Denden Enriquez.
Hanopol gets another layup para sa Marikina. Bobing Huy. They rotate. Making a move, Pediliaga gets that pull-up jumper to go. As tied and in for Quezon City. What a challenge din para dito sa Junior Shoemaster squad. Looking to take this ball game home in the fourth coach. And now they're just 5 points away from tying this game. Make that three after that basket from Tristan Flores. Now with
so far this game, parang it's a story of two games. It seemed like it was a different ball game in the first quarter. Totally dominated.
See what the Junior Giants has drawn up. This is Vergara. Two dribbles in. Gets the bounce. Or nakaapat rather. Kung si Vergara in this game so far. De La Rosa. Floats it up. Gets the basket to answer. Shadowed by Tang. Just 3 seconds now. Nice anticipation there. Vergara. Takes it all the way home.
Still Flores from the field.
Add to his 20-point tally. Inside to Tang. Short stab is good. Reese Tang now in double digits with Enriquez. Goes to the baseline. Gets the ball back. Tamang give and go lang, Noy. Basic basketball. And that floater. Marikina will run it. Ahead to Denden. Another basket for Denden Enriquez. He now has 25. More. The Junior Giants will call for a nature spring timeout. Look at these last two baskets from Denden Enriquez. A personal 5-0 run. Para kay created that cushion. Gusto na nga lang nilang protektahan dito. As I say that, right on cue. Denden Enriquez make that a 7-0 run now. Courtesy. Exactly 3 minutes left in this game. To the corner, 3-ball. Gets another one. Talaga naman, Flores. Flores and Vergara. Yeng. From the K, gets that jumper to go. Lead down. Enriquez. Looking for the pick. Steps back. Answers is Denden Enriquez. Once again for the Junior Shoemasters. Vergara goes out hard. Yeng gets it to Vergara. He will try. Gets another three! 5 out of 5. This whole 8-8 squad trying to come back. Nababa na nga nila ng down by 3. Pediliaga for the tie. Short on that 3. Rebound battle. De La Rosa corrals it.
They need to foul.
They have to foul. Just 3 seconds remaining. There's the foul given up by Flores. As De La Marikina Junior Shoemasters intentionally misses on that second. As time will run out and the Marikina Junior Shoemasters will hold on for this victory.